I'm Phương Oanh, top 10 Miss Vietnam 2022, and I'm currently one of the official modeling teachers at BYB Academy, which is a leading modeling academy in Vietnam. Another teacher that you often see on our YouTube channel is Miss Thanh Huyen Nguyen, who is the coach and CEO of BYB Academy. On our YouTube channel, you can not only learn about some exercise to change your bad posture habits, but also learn about some skills to become a professional model, such as how to pose in front of the camera or how to style your outfit. Currently, we are launching a new membership feature on our YouTube channel, BYB Academy. So our membership program has 3 levels. The first one is Sit. Firstly, you will have an exclusive membership badge according to your level of engagement with us. And you can access to exclusive, super cute emoji. We will constantly update and add new badge and emojis. And you can access to member-only photo and status update, and you can have a priority on reply on comments of video and comment on live stream. And last but not least, you can access early to our video. And the level 2 is sapling, and you will receive all the benefits from the level 1 sit. And in this level, you can access to a lot of detailed video that help you to practice your catwalk at home. For example, you can watch some videos to help you stretch your body or to help you learn how to pose in front of a lot of people and to improve your confidence. And additionally, in the level 2, we will provide you a lot of videos about catwalk techniques to help you to become a professional model, such as posture technique or eye contact technique. And I think these techniques are not only for a professional model. You can apply it even you are not a professional. You can apply it to your daily life. And last but not least, you can connect us through our social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram or TikTok, and you can ask any question if you are curious, and we will answer all of them and help you to become more attractive, more confident and elegant person. And in the level 3, it's about 3. So in this level, you will receive all of the benefits that you can receive on level 1 and level 2, in addition to some basic modeling skills that you can receive on level 1 and level 2. In level 3, you can learn about some advanced skills for a professional model, such as the way to perform some outfits like evening gown, sportwear or casual wear. And we will also provide some video to help you learn some tricks or some tips when you perform on stage. And you can also learn about some information in this career. And especially all video for membership feature will be spoken in English. So now let's join our membership feature to get all of benefit from us. Thank you for watching video to the end. Goodbye.